Okay, so we get the message, perform service after you've changed the crankcase filter. Alright, let's crank it. Okay, there it is. Perform service, right? Okay.
Recording started.
So let's go ahead and shut the engine down, and then we're going to reset it. So this is really a lame thing that Ram makes us do, and it's not, I don't see it anywhere in any manual, but it's probably somewhere I'm just missing it. But anyway, the procedure, you put the ignition on, but you don't start it, so keep your foot off the brake. I'll shut the AC off so you can hear it. Okay, so you can see perform service, right? Let's see if we can reset it. This may take a couple of times. No guarantees. This is such a dumb thing. And here's my stupid looking foot. Okay, so this is the way you do it. We're going to go 2 on this and 3 on this. That's the gas pedal, by the way. And this is the brake. We're going to go 2 times, 3 times here, but not necessarily going through it really, really fast. So let's give it a try and see what happens. Keep your doors closed, all of these little things that can, may cause an issue with doing it. You'll have to put up with my big old French bread feet for a second here. But anyway, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn the ignition off. We'll go ahead and crank it again.
Recording started.
Alright, well, it worked. You saw it here live. Thanks for watching my video. Did it first time, which is a miracle. Ram, you got to do better than this with the coordinated feet and all that. Adios.